channel. Right now it's October 2021 and it's fall. I've retired my kayak for the year, and as you can see here, I'm ready to tie some row bags so that I can do some river fishing for trout, steelheads and browns in late October and November. And so the basic setup here is you have these little mesh that the eggs can go into, and then you tie it up with the string, and then you put it into the jar, and I will then refrigerate them. I'm also going to add these little flotation floaters so that we can keep this row bag off of the bottom when I'm drift fishing. So I'm just going to set up these meshes a few at a time, and then I'll do them all at once. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but I have about 10 of those things set up over here, 10 of those meshes, and now I'm going to add some of these trout eggs. You can definitely use the ones, you know, that you caught yourself, some skeins from female salmon, but I didn't catch any female salmon that I kept recently, so I just went and bought something like this, and I'm gonna make some roll bags out of it. I'm just gonna take a few, put it in the middle. So that's that. Now I want to add a little bit of a flotation into these so that when I'm drift fishing, it gets off the bottom. And when it's off the bottom, I'm less likely going to snag rocks, seaweed, whatever that might tangle you. Let's put 2 in that one. Okay, so that's that. Now we're going to use this thread to tie up our row bags. So some people actually add salt to the eggs along with the float. And now I'm going to tie another one. Bring the corners up together. Corner up. Corner up. And then I want to pull the corners over here, and then twist, twist, twist. Okay. Then bring my thread over here and tie a couple times. And then what I want to do is I want to like start my shoelace, that little loop you begin your shoelace with. I'm doing that right now. And then just gonna tie that down. That's it. Okay, I'll do another one just for security, but you don't need to. These are no knots required strings because it's elastic, and when you just tie one, it's pretty secure. Because when the elastic relaxes, it tightens up the whole setup. See, when you pull, make the knot, and then when you relax it, everything cinches down. Now I just gotta remove the excess, and then I have another row bag. Truth be told, this is the first time I'm doing this. So maybe it's not perfect, but hey, there's another one. So as I'm tying more row bags, just want to say thanks for watching and subscribing to my channel. I hope I can put these row bags to good use and catch some nice trout. And here's a full canister ready to rock the next trip. Hopefully I'll be able to get some trout. I haven't landed a river trout, I don't know, in a really long time, probably 16 years. So hopefully this will do the trick. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope to bring you more content in the not too distant future. Bye for now.